I'm one of the newest members of the ISB board. My research focuses on family business, and I lead the family business and community business track at ISB. And yes, very pleased to be involved with ISB in a wider sense now. ISB has an annual conference, and I've been very pleased to support that from Queen Margaret University, and particularly with a focus on family business. We also have a policy and practice dimension, and indeed one of the discussions going on at the moment is about how we engage with the policy environment in a wider sense. And clearly there's a lot of interest both in terms of how we accommodate entrepreneurship and enterprise teaching within the learning environment in UK higher education, and indeed how we facilitate startups, how we help businesses to grow, how we work with businesses to make a better environment and to link research, policy and practice across the board. The thing I would say about the ISB conference is that it's a very friendly conference to go to. We have a number of things that happen. We have, for example, the International Journal of Entrepreneurial Behaviour and Research, which is affiliated to the ISB conference, and we see very strong links with the journals there. I work with the Family and Community Business track at the ISB conference, and I also edit the Journal of Family Business Management, so I try to make some degree of synergy between what happens at the conference and the wider work of journal publishing. And I think what I would say is the conference is a great time for people to get together, to talk, to link the different areas of research, policy and practice, and to think both about what we research and how and why, but then also about how we move that research forward into the wider world to create real impact. Research per se, and there's knowing what's happening within the policy environment and hence where different bits of the research might fit. And there's something wider there about engaging not just with policymakers but also with the myriad of enterprise support agencies, business support agencies, business organisations that fill the landscape so that we perhaps push forward in one coherent direction, or several coherent directions perhaps.